Bakit kailangan natin yung tatlong grupo? We have to save the Philippines!
Salva ang Pilipinas!
Pumasok na, tayo ay magsimpo sa ating mga lamesa at mag-uumpisa na ang ating programa.
Alam mo ba, babaya ka pa yung mga kalamitan sa Mindura. Nakamit ka na, nakamit ka nito.
In case of emergency, bakit kailangan natin yung tatlong grupo? We have to save the Philippines!
Salva ang Pilipinas!
Mag-uumpisa ang ating programa sa pagdarasal. Inaanyayahan natin dito sa harap Father Romy Chongko ng Bukidnon, Bishop Edwin Maniti ng Aliana City, at si Rasuman Grande Mamital, kapatid nating Muslim. Pwede silang patawag dito sa harap.
Ano yung natintag na kasi
Si Brother Romy, Brother Edwin, at si Sir Rasuman Grande Mamintal. Pwede po sa stage. Ito na.
Let's put ourselves in the presence of God. God, with no name, but given so many names by different tribes, by different peoples, by different religions. My forefathers called you Lalandi. My neighbors in Mindanao call you Allah. Next to Magpapaya, Bathala, or Buddha. But allow me to call you, to address you, Father, Mother, God. Whoever you are, wherever you are, we all believe that you are one and the same God. The source of life, the source of goodness, the source of love, the source of forgiveness, and everything that is good. Look upon your children. Look upon your servants who are gathered here today. Bless our gathering. Enable us to love you more and more by serving our brothers and our sisters, especially the poor, the deprived, and the oppressed. Have mercy on us. Many of our brothers and sisters are drawing me with flood waters because we as a nation is drowning in the flood of corruption. Please be with us. Guide us. Fill our hearts with love and courage that we will stand.
By Bangsamoro Anti-Corruption Movement, NCR, Bangsa, C2G2, Southern Philippines Muslim and Non-Muslim Association, SPMUDA. Ang Saraon, nandito rin. Muslim Traders Association of NCR, San Juan City, Maranao Association, Muslims Alliance for Protect Bibi Sara, Greaters Muslim Traders Association, Putri Maamor ng Luzon, National Citizens Alliance Movement, National Auxiliary Chaplaincy Philippines, or NACPIL,
MRRT Region 1, Muslim Christian Association for Peace, Progress, PRRD Defenders Federation, Athena Colleges, Brand New Nueva Vizcaya Empowered Women's Organization, Fraternal Order of Eagles,
HOA CSJDM LGU Retirees Association, BLGU Minuyan, MLGU Bukawe, BLGU Malolos, Solido, Aguila, Bulacan. Sabi nila, Solo Parent President. Sigaw yung mga Solo Parent President. Pupuntahan kami mamaya to. Okay. Alakdan Riders. Saliga Foundation, Dinding Walagtas, Malolos, Sara Philippines Organization, Bangsamoro Community, Obar, Guardians, BLGU Angeles City, Head Pastor, Mabuti, IPMLGU Mayandok. Next.
MLGU ng Anao, MLGU ng San Clemente, Kamiling Tarlac, Unified Civil Military for Democracy and Good Governance, UCM, FDGG, Civil Military Forces, ACPPI, AXER, Samahan ng Kababaihan kontra Droga, Guardians, Yokohama Incorporated, TFUE, Barangay Pulong Panagil, Panagol, Mayor Inday Sara for President Movement,
GC4SM Incorporated, Gubernatorial Aspirant, Businessman Congressional Aspirant, Volunteer Individual for Peace or VIP, Pastor ng Panginoon, Moral and Spiritual Transformation, PNP Host, Unified Intelligence Group, UIG Philippines, headed by Tito Dolorito, DGP Antipolo, Bumbong Bisaya ng Montalban, Farm C, Talim Island, APLOI Talim Island, ang DRS Riders Club! Para kulang kayo sa 300. No?
OFW Alliance International,
Public Sector Government Employees Union,
National Labor Union,
Youth Commission, Business Commission, APLOI Rizal Representative, Senior Commission, Good Cops, Civilian Support Group, ang Sara All Movement Council, Lead Convenor, Bicol Inday Sara Duterte Supporters,
Ang daming bisita.
Sara
Hindi
All
pa
Movement
natapos
Council,
pag-function sa lahat ng grupo.
DDS,
Dami.
SSS, PHK9, Sara All,
Siguro
SDS,
aabot sa
KOJC,
200 ka grupo.
KOJC, SSS, Bumbong Pagbabago, Sara All, Senior for Duterte, IFT, SIS, STY, SR6, DJL Media, BIS, PS, Pwersa ng Ilonggo. Siyempre, ang kaibigan natin at malabitin sa ating puso, ang PDP naman! Independent, Chairman, GLGG Iloilo, Pwersa Ilonggo, Udbinor, PDP Gimaras, PDP Cabis, SCAF Group, Representative, Action Democratic Party, KPR6, PBFM, Hogwarts President, Hogwarts Businessman, Toll Regulatory Board, TRB, Inusang Pagbabago Cebu, Balugluman Talisay, PNP-PDP City of Talisay Chapter, AGLO, Ludapi National, Lugensa Association, Comgen Davao de Oro, El Salvador, Mati City Davao Oriental, Mati City Davao Oriental, Sara Philippines Incorporated, and of course,
Para
ating
matapos sa program,
Philippines,
pagpapasok pa lang naman
walang
ng
iba,
dito.
kundi ang United People's Initiative. Palapakan natin. UBI, headed by Colonel de la Cruz may pahabol pa. Siyempre, nandito rin. Palapakan natin ang Maisog Rider Philippines. Palapakan po natin.
Isusunod po natin ang ating mga VIP at dito sa harap at doon na mesa ang ating mga VIPs. Unahin natin dito sa mesa nito na nakikita na tawag na natin kanina, Attorney Sylvester Belio, the third. Nandiyan si Yusef Penpen Libres, Congressman Glenn Chong, Senator Jimmy Bondoc, Senator Attorney Vic Rodriguez, Go Mike Defensor, Mindanao Development Authority Chair Mabel Acosta, Deputy Mayor Randy Usman, Mayor Rex ng Manapi City, Mus Didasa ng Cotabato Park,
Of course, Attorney Reynaldo Simpao. Palapakan po natin.
dating Mayor ng Bengal Puro, sa bilang na mesa led by Congressman Isidro Ungam, Jimmy Miralles ng ating labor sector,
Si Kapitana Emerita Pexon from Payanas. Ang ina nating lahat.
Fe Duterte, Chuchi Sinanong Villar, Attorney Debbie Baligon, Director Nick Sisaso, and one and only Double B, Vivian Perez.
And of course, kasama niya ang kanyang better half, walang iba, kundi si Tito Poppy. Kabilang na mesa. Dali lang po ah.
Marami na ang mga
Okay, nandito rin po si former Mayor Jonas Cortez. Palapakan din natin si former Mayor Alan Bukaw ng Pink Hilo. Ito naman po sa kabilang table si Tita Dan. Next table tayo. Balikan po namin ha. Hanapin namin yung names.
Commissioner na dapat.
Ayun, si Commissioner pala yun. Okay, siyempre, nakita ko na. Di pwede hindi ko pasalamatan to.
Ang pag-asa
Si
ng ating kabataan.
Kuya King Belma.
Duterte Youth.
Yan, Belma.
Congressman Roland.
Congressman.
Sino pa? Sino pa? Meron pa ba mga hindi na banggit?
Siyempre, si Tita Astra Pimentel. Yan, tapakan po natin. Siyempre, tatay ko daw to eh. Kaya ako na yung magpapakilala. Sabi nila, tatay ko, tignan nyo kung kamukha ko, papatayuin ko. Kernel Petran! Tatay ko ba? Parang mas pogi sa akin. Nandito rin po si Senator Attorney.
JP Hinlo.
Ayun, tapakan po natin.
Marami din po tayong mga kasama, mga vloggers natin.
Nandito rin po, kasama natin sa UPI, si Kurt de la Cruz. Ay, Alan. Ay, Galang, sorry. De la Cruz. Colonel Galang, palapakan po natin. Siya po yung umaharap dun sa mga, ano, okay. Palakpakan po natin, Attorney Senator Raul Lambino. Wala po kasi mata namin. Pasensya na po. Sino pa? Okay.
Andiyan din si John Rania. Rob Frances.
Ayun yung idol ko, si Kuya Rob. Okay, baka may manalilimutan po kami. Dispensa at pasuyo, pasulat po ha. Okay. Kilalanin din po natin at pasalamatan ang pagdating ni former Mayor Grilina Lim. Sabi si Ma'am Grilina. Siyempre, nandiyan din si Tito Ricky Acana. Attorney Rogelio Mendoza. Sino pa? Si former Congressman
Meron pa tayong isang ex-mayor galing sa Nalo del Sur, Winnie Pitmo.
former Governor George Arnaiz. Okay. Former Mayor Wantan Palangka. Si Doc Ed Clemente. Palakpakan po natin. Oh, of course. Si Colonel Galang. Ang daming magbati kay Colonel Galang. Birthday pa ni Colonel ngayon. Ambassador Cora Paching. Palakpakan po natin. Asian Century Philippines. Save the Nation Movement. Si Cathy Cruz, ang Secretary General daw po. Okay, meron pa?
Sige, pahabol na.
Sige, pagka may mga nalimutan po, pwede naman natin pahabol mamaya. Okay? Ang ating pong MSU Director, palakpakan natin, Engineer Agay Mamandaya. Siya din po ang ating COMELEC, kasama din natin, Pahaman Mamandaya. Next, Mayor Ruel Molina. Palakpakan po natin. Okay na? Dito okay? Pahabol na lang siguro yung iba. Ito meron pa. Former Mayor Aptar Marmar at former Mayor Moti Mariano. Yan. Pahabol lang po kayo ha, para lahat mapapagin po natin. Nandito rin po ang Chairman ng Transport, Alain Jose Jesse Ulibar ng Aglo. Yan. Senator. Nandito rin po ang isa sa ina ng laging saklolo, ang chairman ng ACMA. Palakpakan natin si Tita Nene Bakali. Yan, nakita na ako ni Tita Nene, kinakabahan na yan. Punta ko sa'yo mamaya. Kinakabahan. Okay, next. Bigyan po kayo din po natin from Barangay Pinagkaisahan, Quezon City, si Barangay Chairman Vincent Saab. Ano ba?
Marami rin salamat sa ating lahat na dumalo sa ating pagpupulong ngayong hapon. To formally welcome us, let us call on Congressman Isidro Ungab ng 3rd District of Davao City.
Palakpakan po natin, Congressman Isidro Ungab!
A pleasant good afternoon to everyone gathered here today, our leaders, partners, advocates, and fellow Filipinos united by one great cause to save the Philippines. Today marks a historic beginning. We come together not out of convenience, but out of conviction. We gather here because we can no longer stand idly. While our nation continues to slide into moral decay, political chaos, economic hardship, and the betrayal of public trust. We gather because the future of our children, our communities, and our country depends on what we do. The Save the Philippines Coalition is not just another organization. It is a voluntary movement of citizens who refuse to surrender hope. It is an alliance of patriots from diverse sectors and backgrounds, united by one purpose: to restore integrity in leadership, accountability in governance, and dignity to the Filipino people. We heed the call of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, a call to action, to courage, and to patriotism, to save the Republic. And in responding, we affirm that saving the Philippines means demanding change at the highest levels of power. It means confronting the failures and abuses that plague our government and standing firm for what the Constitution demands: rightful succession and responsible leadership. As we launch this movement today, we also launch a renewed spirit of unity and purpose. Let this assembly be the starting point of a nationwide awakening, where citizens no longer remain silent, but speak, act, and stand together for truth, reform, and justice. To all those who come from near and far, from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, welcome. Thank you for choosing courage over comfort and patriotism over apathy. Your presence proves that the Filipino spirit, no matter how challenged, will never yield to tyranny and corruption. Together, let us declare with strength and faith, we will save the Philippines. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Mabuhay ang ating bayan. Welcome to this new and momentous chapter in the history of the Filipino people. God save the Philippines.
Okay. Palakpakan po natin muli si Congressman Unga. Palakpakan po natin.
Pagpaumalino ninyo sa mga hindi nabanggit kanina, marami pala tayong mga incumbent and former officials from Lanao del Sur. Gusto natin i-recognize sila isa-isa. No?
Okay.
Former Mayor Alip Pikri Sokon. Former Mayor Muhammad Pamintan. Former Board Member Amirol Muhammad. Former Mayor Abdul Rahman Bashir. Former Board Member Jeram Salik. Former Mayor Sabdullah Makabago.
Former Mayor Tony Tanog. Palakpakan po natin. Former Governor Abu Muhammad Sarangani. Former Congressman Faisa Dumarpa. Former Barangay Chairman Faisal Usman. Former Barangay Chairman Hassan Lazim. Barangay Chairman Mahid Salik. Former Mayor Rasuman Grande Pamintal. Former Congressman